Today we are going to learn about file extensions and we are going to see how these things can be done, how we can save the files in various file types, and how the file extensions comes. Now here I got a PowerPoint presentation. I'm just saving it. Okay, I just press save button. You can see the down there on the status bar it shows that the progress it's saving. Since I haven't done anything much, it goes quickly. Now we'll go to save as. Now if we want to save the file with another name, or if we want to save the file in another location, we may have done some changes to the file and we want to save it in as another file. So for those kind of things we can go to save as, right? So once we go to save as, you can see here, I can see when I select that, I can see the file name which I have already given, and the save as type I already have selected. And you can see on the top above there where it has been saved in desktop new folder, like that. Now you can see when I go to save as time, there's something called PDF. So we can save it with another file types, right? Which means now PDF is I think you have seen some of the presentations I have sent you as PDFs. So you can just go through, you can refer it as a learning material. But since I have so many things here with the presentation, this PDF file may not be very clear, because the animation parts and all the stuff may not come. Now the PDF we can open with something like Acrobat Reader or the Wondershare PDF elements. Now here there are some other extensions there. The PowerPoint macro enable means you can add some programming parts. PowerPoint 97 to 2003. I have mentioned earlier that .docx and .doc. So likewise here the 97 2003 means that .ppt. Now if you go to the normal version, it will be .pptx. Now here again you can see something called JPEG, right? JPEG means image files. We have seen it, right? So if you want, you can see each and every slide in your PowerPoint presentation as an image file. Once I have given, it's asked, do you want to save every slide, or do you want to save current slide only? So I can say every slide. Then yeah, if there are so many slides are there, then it will create a folder, and inside that folder each and every slide save as a separate JPG file, image file, right? But if you want only the current slide, you can say current slide only, then it will create a JPG or image file. Now you should know, when I send an image file, it's easy to see, anybody can see. But if I send the PowerPoint slide, then there should be PowerPoint software, right? Now you can see the JPG image. Now you can see there's the in the description .jpg is there. The other things you can see, this is template office PowerPoint template type file, and this is Microsoft Office PowerPoint presentation, and this one is JPG file, and this one again MP4 video file. The other one is also, you can see the symbol, that a small symbol is there, so which means it's a JPEG file, right? VLC media player symbol is there. But the thing is, you can't see the extension there, right? Only the file type. Now if you want to see the extension, you have to click right mouse button on a particular file, and you have to go to the properties. Once you go to the properties, you can see the properties of that file. See, I have clicked on right click on the video file. It says MP4 open with VLC media player. I told that when the computer put extension, it'll keep the details of what is the software it's going to open. Now you can see the how many bytes, which day it created, which day it modified, which day it accessed, like that. And there were some attributes you can see: read only and hidden. If you select as read only, then the persons who are getting this can view only, read only, right? Then hidden means you can hide it from when you go through the things you can't see. Now the security and details things are there, how many frame rates per second, then audio, how much volume is then, and the previous version. Sometimes you may uh, develop a little by little, changes may added, so the versions will be there, so automatically those things will be listed there. Now you can see those kind of attributes are there. We'll see some more things now here. Since I have mentioned about the hidden file, I can show you how I can see the hidden files in computer. Now when we put the attribute hidden files, you can if you want to see it, you can go to view. Now I went to folder options, there file folder option, then you can go to view tab, then there it says so show hidden files, folders and drives. The first one is don't show hidden files and folders or drives. So if you hide something here, according to the option I have selected, you can see it as a blurred image, blurred file. We'll see, we'll take this and try to hide it. No, we'll take something from the folder, inside this folder. Okay, can see what we have created. O is practical, the image file. We'll just go to their properties and change the attribute to hidden. It's a JPEG file. Can you see? jpg.jpg. Can get the file extension from these properties again. The size and the date created, modified, accessed, same things are there. Now here I'm going to put a hidden attribute and I press apply and OK. Now you can see a little bit blurred because the folder option, in folder option we have selected show hidden files and folders. Now here we can go to file, then change folder and share options. You can go to view tab, show hidden files and drives. Now if I selected don't show and apply it, now still you can't say I didn't apply. Once I applied, see, you can't see the file, the blurred one has gone because we are telling don't show hidden files, folders or drive. We have selected that, so it won't show it there. So sometimes in some when you take your pen drive here and there and all, sometimes you may get viruses where all your files will be hidden, and but the when you take when you go through your USB, it has been used, the some storage has been used, but there's no file. So this is what has happened. They have the virus has made all the files to be hidden, the folder hidden. So you have to go to this place and you can actually you have to do some things to remove the virus and all the stuff. But if you go to this place, you can see your files. Okay, I'll show one video clip. I'll do how if something happens like that, how you can recover it from. You can how you can recover from it. Now I'm going to change the show hidden files folders an option again, and I'm going to select these attributes, the properties, and then attributes hidden. I'm going to remove it. First, I have to press apply, then OK. Now you can see again. We'll go to this place. You can see now I have saved this PowerPoint presentation as a PowerPoint presentation. So you will open it as a PowerPoint presentation. Now I will do the PDF thing also and show how you will get it. Actually this presentation is not good for this PDF. I'm not going to send this as your notes. Like it won't give, we'll see, it won't give all the thing because there I have put animations and all this. And this is how not the PowerPoint presentation comes. You can see when you go down, we'll go down and see uh, when the some of the things in the PowerPoint, it won't come in the proper way. When you do PDF is it gives all the things at once. Whatever the inside the PowerPoint slideshow, it'll put it like as it is. But here the PowerPoint, I have put time to time, I want to get this the animation part. So here this is what has happened. Only the animation part, some of it is there. So it's not good presentation or PowerPoint to turn into PDF. So I'm not going to send this to you. Now, even though you should know, when you have done a PowerPoint presentation, if you want to send that as a note beforehand or at the same time when you are doing the presentation, you can take PDF and do it proper way. Now here the PowerPoint show, I'm going to show how we can select the PowerPoint show. See how the icon is coming. You can see it's already done thing. You have to do it, you have to show it, right? Now earlier we have saved it as a PowerPoint presentation. There you can open, when you are opening it, you are opening with the PowerPoint application. But when you put it as PowerPoint slideshow, PowerPoint show, when you open it, it will open as a PowerPoint show. Now, even though when we have done the PowerPoint slide presentations, you can click the button downward there, the TV sort of the show button, and you can go to show. But here this comes as a show directly. That's the difference. So whenever you are done with the PowerPoint presentation, and if you want to go somewhere else and do the presentation, you can directly make a PowerPoint presentation and take it with your pen, and you can just do the presentation. You don't have to open it with PowerPoint presentation application. The thing is, when you use PowerPoint presentation, then you can open it and beforehand you can do the changes and all. So here I want to show some, I want to tell you something. Even though you have done with the PowerPoint presentation, you can do a show. But if you are going to take with the pen the PowerPoint show or even the PowerPoint presentation, whatever the fonts and whatever the videos you have uh, linked there, all the stuff you should take with your pen drive. So I hope you got the idea, and the PowerPoint we'll do it later as a lesson. So till you see next time. Have a good day.